What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off your iPad passcode. Let's say here I want to use my iPad, I'm trying to slide to unlock, I need to type in my passcode in here in order to access it. I'm gonna show you how to remove this permanently so you do not need to keep on typing in your passcode, and you will only simply slide it and you'll be going straight, for example, into this main home screen in here. But before we jump into the video, consider subscribing if you find my content useful, as it really helps me out. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do share a lot of tech tutorials and hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, I do have an iPad mini here running an old software, but I'm going to show you also how to do it in a much newer iPad device. So if you have a much older one like mine in here, all you need to do is hop into settings real quick, and then next up you want to scroll down all the way to passcode in here. Hop into passcode and then type in your passcode. You need to know your passcode, okay? So it's 1112 in my case. Once I'm done typing in my passcode, I'm gonna simply tap on turn passcode off. I need to type it in one more time and I'm good to go. The passcode has been removed successfully from my iPad, and now whenever I close my iPad in here, I unlock it, I simply slide, I'll be brought straight into this main home screen in here. Now, in case you do have a much newer iPad model, I don't have a much newer, so I'm just showing it to you on a much newer iPhone device how the settings look like, because they look the same. You just need to hop into settings, you need to scroll down all the way to FaceTime and passcode. So you're gonna tap on Face ID and passcode in here, and then you'll be brought to this screen which asks you to unlock your phone. I've typed my passcode, and once I type, I'll be brought to this screen which says Face ID and passcode. In here I can manage my Face ID, how I want to unlock my phone. If I have an iPhone with a fingerprint feature on, I can also manage that as well. So you just want to ensure that passcode is turned off down here. So you want to scroll down, tap on change passcode, and then you'll be able to turn it off. Now, I'm unable to turn it off right now because I do have stolen device protection turned on and Face ID is set up. So in order for me to turn off my passcode, first things first, I need to turn off Face ID. Okay, so here at the top, use Face ID for iPhone unlock. This needs to be turned off. Once I turn that off, I have a second option which says stolen device protection. So I need to go back and search for this option here under settings, which says stolen device protection in here. So I need to open this, type in my passcode once again, and then I need to turn this off by toggling this off. Once I toggle it off, then my iPhone will allow me to turn off my passcode without any problem at all. So this was it for today, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.